Wait, what's up? We got Lil Yachty, Chai T-Ass, Freestyle, Child Boy. I mean, it's not. It's hella similar. Who is this nigga?
If you can, I don't want
handlebar
cameras. What I told her when I met her.
Meta.
Chopper style, big Berettas, twins spin like David Guetta. Tattoo on my face and the V stand for vendetta.
Vendetta? What are you, Clockboy man?
You just said you could have wrote that in a letter. I can never get that time back, and that's unfortunate. Your people items inside a car, but never order it. Diamonds in my ears, same size as a quarter.
Yeah, I don't do that type shit, Lil Yachty. If you don't got it, you don't got it. Which is why I don't put in the cart. Get put on a wish list.
Get fucked by someone like me, I be more than pissed. Let your bitch vent, she flat out told me that you bought a bitch. Way too many hoes for a P to go to war for it. Way too many fatherless bad bitches to go to war for one. You see me on ass for ass, go social some. I gatekeep.
Facts.
Turn on.
Turn up.
You won't catch me through striping, I'm Nike. I'm flattered when new niggas bite me. Only credit my visa works nicely, bitch. Diamonds on me like a icy. Air man's box orange like a high seat. But these niggas, I sit at the high seat. She so thick and I watch she have knock knees. I went diamond without eating broccoli. Okay. Pop it top, I won't pop me.
He went down without eating broccoli. Oh, nice. Touche, touche. Plug.
Pop. Is that likely? No. Wallahi. Watch. Bitch step and run shit like Gaddafi. Tell that crack keep popping it. Hope he can dodge bullets, neo-Nazi.
Huh? Hey, huh?
Tell that crack keep popping it.
Oh, I mean, it's art. Choice don't get me. It's art.
Hope he can dodge bullets, neo-Nazi.
I guess you get to say stuff like that when you tap in with like Drake and stuff. I don't know. I'm confused.
Swell cold, ain't it, baby?
Yeah, it is. It is cold.
Swell cold, ain't it, baby?
Yeah, we know.
I know love, baby.
Aye.
I know love, baby. Pop it. Don't stop. Pop it.
Okay. I mean, when this little Yachty, when is he missed? True being told. I mean, I'm just kidding. Y'all about to start naming stuff. I'm like, I've never heard that before.